You like chai? We're making recovery hot chai with our horchata mix. We're gonna do black tea, cinnamon, cloves, and cardamom. First, make the horchata mix. Follow the instructions on the package. 2 scoops for 12 ounces, and we're doing hot water. And if you follow the instructions, it says to shake it. Shaking a hot liquid makes me a little nervous. So I'm just gonna set this here, let it sit while we do the tea. All right, so you can do the loose black tea, the spices and horchata. You can do black tea bags, the spices and horchata, or if you're being super duper lazy today, just do horchata and black tea. It's got a bunch of cinnamon and flavor in there already. It's perfect. All right, I like my tea strong, so I'm gonna put about an ounce of black tea in here. And each brand is different, so taste it after you make it. Next one, 2 tea bags into this one. 1, 2. Third one is just plain with no spices. Again, I'm gonna do about an ounce into here. And now we're gonna add spices. Cinnamon sticks, go nuts. Put as much as you want in there. The horchata's already got cinnamon, so you don't have to go too crazy, but we love the flavor of it. Into the first one, into the second one. Cloves, lovely stuff. Beautiful floral sweet. And put a few pieces, about that much. Cardamom pods. So if you've never seen cardamom, crack them apart, and there's little seeds in there. But you can just throw it in there whole. So maybe 2 to 3 per. Some hot water. Oh yeah. Hot water tea bags. Hot water, loose tea with no spices. We'll give that about 5 minutes to steep. Our chai is steeped and ready to go. First one, the loose black tea with the whole spices. I'm gonna strain it into this glass right here. Then I'm gonna rinse the glass because we only have 3 glasses. The strained tea, mix it in with some horchata, and look at that. Spiced horchata chai recovery drink. It's a lot of words.
Just say recovery chai.
Recovery chai, made with tea bags. And our final one is just black tea and horchata for our simple, lazy man's version of horchata chai. Recovery chai for horchata. All right, ready? Spiced horchata chai recovery. Black tea with spices. Beautiful. Unbelievable. Chai made with tea bags. Final one is black tea, no spices. It's gonna be delicious because the horchata is full of flavor. I strain it with my shaky hand. Get all the goodness out of there. Oh my God, look at that, you guys. Can you even tell the difference between the 3? Delicious is what the difference is. We don't have frothing machines in India. We have people who do the frothing. You take 2 cups, and it's called drying. Drying the chai. Oh my God. Look at that, it's getting frothy.
That's a beautiful froth.
That is a beautiful frothy spiced chai horchata recovery drink. Or as we like to call it, our horchata chai recovery drink.
Recovery chai.
Once you've had it, add more horchata mix, add more tea, add more spices, whatever. This is your drink. You make it sweeter, you make it stronger, you do you. Horchata chai.
Hey!
Hey, we did it.